Hi everyone, want to turn your photo into a super cute trendy doll style? In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it in just a few taps using Dreamface. No Photoshops, no editing skills needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you haven't it yet, just download it from the Play Store and then just install. Next, just log in with your Google account. And the great thing about Dreamface is that it offers a free package with weekly credits plus some free avatars generations. So you can try it without spending a cent. Now to create the trendy doll effect, just tap on AI filters and then search for trendy dolls. And then just tap on it and you will be taken to the upload screen like this, and then just choose your photo or upload your photo. Make sure you choose a clear high quality photo of yourself, preferably where your face is visible and well lit, and avoid blurry or dark image for the best result. And once you have selected the photo, just tap animate. And see, when it's done, you will see your photo transform into a stylish, trendy doll versions like this. And if you're happy with the result, just hit download to save it to your phone, and then you can share it to your social media. And okay, that's it. In under a minute, you can turn any photo into a fun, trendy doll style. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.